Alright. So there's my queen. I made this split a couple days ago, and this is the main hive. So I'm gonna try to prop my camera up here so y'all can see this. Switch the viewer. Whatever. See how these ladies are doing. Oh. They haven't been getting as much sugar syrup. They actually haven't been getting any at all. But they are building out frames. A little bit more than I expected. Yeah. It looks like they're starting to build the queen cell or something right here. Yep, they already got one going. That's all right though. A lot of nectar in this one. Yeah, they've been doing some work. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just going to set the queen up top. I'm just going to set her up top here. I kind of want to see what they do, if they flock to her or whatnot. So I'm gonna dip into this hive and see what they've been doing as far as how much they've been eating and how much of the sugar syrup's gone. So we'll check that out. while. So I filled that like 2-3 days ago. I think 2 days ago. Anyway, but they took down quite a bit of it. So I'm gonna smoke them real quick and then I'm gonna pull that. Move the camera a little bit, maybe. First 2 frames are empty. This one's from the original Nuke. Full of honey and nectar, or not, nectar and pollen. I apologize. That thing's packed. A little bit more aggressive than I'd like, but it is what it is. You can see them darting up to my hand. Well. Look at that. Some new comb for them. Yeah, there's no way I can tend to these guys without a suit. So I'll be getting 2 more boxes today, hopefully. And maybe in a couple months I'll be able to requeen this hive and requeen the other hive, because the queens came from the same spot. I've been told that the male bees are what change. Dang, look at all them bees. They're the ones that change the mood of the hive. So I can have them make a new queen from their own stock, as long as I have plenty of drones from the other hives running around, I'm not going to worry about it all that much. And the more that I create my own queens and promote drone production in the other hive, in theory, I should lean out this stock and primarily take over with the other stock. Man, there's a lot of bees in here. Jeez, I am impressed. And these last couple of frames got nothing on them, so I'm just going to put them all back. I want to see if there's fresh brood on this one. Yeah, there's fresh eggs in here. Alright, let's just put this back together. I'll bring you guys up top. Look at all them bees. But keep in mind, they haven't been, it's too early in the morning for them to leave. So these are the forager bees and everybody. There's just a lot. Just gonna equal out the spacing real quick. Throw the top back on it. Excuse me. Get the sugar syrup back. Oh. Sorry, making sure there's no bees in the top. I always feel bad if I trap one. So I'm gonna crush this into the comb just a tad down. I don't want to drop her. I'm gonna put the camera down because I don't want to drop her. Alright, so she's down in that corner. I don't know if that's the best place, but I didn't want to crush any of the new brood, so that's where she's going. And then put in these frames. So I'm going to try to come home on my lunch. Hopefully I have the other bees by then. And I shall be introducing those to the other 2 hives that I had. All right. So I'm gonna come home this afternoon, put bees in this one and bees in this one, but I gotta take this off, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did in that one and put. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do the same thing to this yellow one too, and put the feeders on top. I got 2 ready to go, so they can start building their own comb. I was hoping to be able to pull from here, but they just haven't had enough time, so I'm not going to mess with them again. All right, so that's all I wanted to show this morning. I'll try to videotape what I do this afternoon. Post 2 videos today. All right, hit that subscribe and that little bell so you can get notifications of any other videos that I post. All right.